This is called the crossover. And we always go to the bar to learn this for balance. So you put your right foot out, and as it scrapes around the back, it's kind of like doing a rond de jambe under your body. So you keep the foot on the floor. He does not lift, he stays and he drags on the floor, and he comes back. You should land in that position. So that's called the crossover. And Cammie's going to actually show you what this looks like out on the floor. Perfect. Thank you. One of my most used tap steps, and especially my beginner tap classes because they just love it, they think it's the most fun, is the trick step on the floor. So Cammie, I'm going to use you, and I'll explain how you go down. So when you're teaching this, you're going to squat down, you're going to put your hand to the left, and the weight is going to go on that left hand. You're going to bring this hand in with fingers tight, kind of making your locket pose. As you shoot your legs up, can you sit down for a second, Cammie? As you sit down, this leg is going to go out to the side. This one is going to go to the corner. So you don't want those legs too far apart. This is your position, corner and straight out to the side. So bring them in, and your behind should not touch the floor. Arch your back and shoot out. In, shoot out, in. Okay. So you can do this on either side. Sometimes people find the right arm is stronger, but the older you are, it's more to hold, right? So, thank you, Cammie.